Okay, Masood sir,
Yes, sir.
are you ready for exam?
Yeah, I'm ready, sir.
Could you say something about importance of learning English, like a presentation?
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. English is not only an international language, it is also our tools, and we have to learn these tools as our skill. To communicate over the world, we have to learn English. To conduct international job, that means remote job, we have to learn English. To visit different country of the world, we learn to and communicate the other people that is not our native people. Many international rules and wisdom are stored in English.
Thank you very much for the
Thank you for
presentation.
your time
Okay,
and attention.
what's the meaning of auxiliary verb?
Auxiliary verb, helping verb, সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া.
Helping verb, right?
Yeah,
How many types of auxiliary verb?
two types of auxiliary verb.
Can you tell me about more models?
More models. Be used to V1 plus ing, bound to V1, বাধ্য, be supposed to V1, কথা আছে.
What's the meaning of cannot but?
না করে পারি না.
আমার একটি কলম থাকা উচিত ছিল। Translate the sentence.
I should have a pen.
আমার একটি কলম থাকা উচিত।
I should have pen.
I should have a pen. আমার
Pen.
একটি কলম থাকা উচিত ছিল।
I should have been a pen.
I should have had a
Pen.
pen. আমি আমার বন্ধুর সাথে কথা না বলে পারলাম না। Translate into
I could not but talk with my friends.
Translate into Bangla. He may be learning English.
সম্ভবত সে ইংরেজি শিখছে.
I was bound to make video.
আমি ভিডিও বানাতে বাধ্য.
I am bound to make video.
আমি ভিডিও বানাতে বাধ্য.
I was bound to make video.
আমি ভিডিও বানাতে বাধ্য ছিলাম.
Good. Tell me what's the meaning of allow?
অনুমতি দেয়া.
অনুমতি দেওয়া। Advice.
উপদেশ দেয়া বা পরামর্শ দেয়া.
Advertise.
বিজ্ঞাপন দেওয়া.
What's the meaning of তর্ক করা?
Argue.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Your exam has been done. That was outstanding. That